Hi all. Today we will learn about how to boost immune system naturally foods to improve immunity. Everyone nowadays thinking about how to boost immunity. That is a big question. What we have to eat for boost immunity. First question come in the mind is what is immunity? So first of all we have to understand what you mean by immunity. The ability of an organism to resist a particular infection or toxin by the action of specific antibodies or sensitized white blood cells. Human body having an exposure of virus, bacteria and pathogen. Body has its own defensive mechanism like white blood cell known to be leukocyte containing cells of basophil, eosinophil, neutrophil, some defensive cell known as a natural killer cell, smart cell, T cells, B cells, macrophages, antibodies. So human body protective mechanism is known as a immunity. Top habits for immunity boosters should adopted for being healthy person. First is eating well. Balanced diet should include variety of fruits, green leafy vegetables, whole grains, dairy products and lean protein. Drinking plenty of water daily and keep body hydrated. A good diet should be followed by an exercise routine. Good snooze time for 7 to 8 hours is the best way to help your body build immunity. Increase vitamin intake. Specifically critical for the immune function include vitamin C, A, B6, E, DHA, PUFA that is polyunsaturated fatty acid, zinc, selenium and magnesium are the minerals that your immune system need to function at its best. Sometimes you find out a group of people, some individuals are prone for infection or disease, whereas in a group of people, some are resistant for the same infection or disease. Answer of this question is nothing but immunity. Those who prone for a disease or infection are considered to have a weak immunity. However, those individual having a resistance to disease or infection having a strong immunity. There are some food naturally available to improve your immunity. So let's begin to understand how we can boost our immunity naturally with the food. Balanced diet is required for the boosting immunity. Low carbohydrate and protein rich diet should be preferred. Food rich in vitamin A, C, D, E and B6. Minerals like zinc, selenium and magnesium should be preferred. Colors pigment like lutein, beta carotene, and lycopene. Fatty acids like polyunsaturated fatty acid and omega 3 or omega 6 fatty acid. Fibers mainly soluble and insoluble. Let's move on to understand which are the foods can improve your immunity or can boost a immunity. First, mango. Mango provides 35% of your daily vitamin A, 100% of daily vitamin C, and 10% of daily vitamin B6. One cup of mango is also an excellent source of folate, making up to 20% of your daily requirement, and also copper, making up to 10% of your daily requirement. Mango is a low calorie fruit high in fiber. It also contains iron, calcium, zinc, vitamin E, which helps the red blood cell while also supporting healthy immune function as well. Next fruit is papaya. Papaya is a great source of vitamin A, B, C, and K and is known as an excellent immunity booster. Papaya also contains healthy and antioxidant known as a carotenoid, particularly lycopene. It helps in maintaining a collagen, the structure protein of the connective tissue. It is said that medium size of papaya could provide you double your daily requirement of vitamins. Papaya also have a digestive enzyme called pepin. Papayas have decent amount of potassium, magnesium and folate, all of which beneficial for your overall health and immunity. Next is tomato, a fruit that often treated as a vegetable. The tomato in Indian food is used in the most preparations, is packed with the nutritious value. Tomatoes are rich in the natural vitamin and mineral including vitamin A, K, B1, B3, B5, B6, B7 and vitamin C. It also has a folate, iron, potassium, magnesium, chromium, choline, zinc and phosphorus. Tomatoes are a great food to eat when you are sick due to their high concentration of vitamin C, which is a proven fuel to your body immune system. In a German study, it states that vitamin C was shown to be a vital part of the strength of the body phagocyte and T cell, two major components of the immune system. Next fruit is watermelon is also high in carotenoid, including beta carotene and lycopene. Plus, it has a citrulline, an important amino acid, potassium, magnesium, vitamin B1, B5, and B6. Watermelon is an immune boosting fruit. 1 2 cup serving of watermelon has 270 milligram of potassium, 30% of daily value of vitamin A, and 25% value of vitamin C. Watermelon has 80 calories in a 1 2 cup serving. Watermelon is also provided glutathione. The body needs vitamin, nutrient, and compound like glutathione for a proper immune function. Next fruit is pumpkin. Beside being packed with the vitamin and mineral, pumpkin is also relatively low in calories as it's 94% of water. It's also very important in a beta carotene, a carotenoid that your body turns into vitamin E. Moreover, pumpkin seeds are edible nutritious. Pumpkin is also high in vitamin C, which has been shown to increase the white blood cell production, help immune cell work more effectively, and make wound heal faster. Aside from two vitamin mentioned above, pumpkin is also good source of vitamin E, iron, and folate, all of which have been shown to aid in the immune system as well. Next is sweet potato. Sweet potatoes are a great source of fiber, vitamin, and minerals. 200 gram of baked sweet potato with the skin provide fiber, vitamin A, vitamin C, B6, magnesium, potassium, pantothenic acid, copper, niacin. These vitamins are crucial for the immune function. Test tube studies have found that antioxidants in purple sweet potatoes promote the growth of healthy gut bacteria, including certain bifidobacterium and lactobacillus species. Greater amount of these type of bacteria within the intestine are associated with better gut health and immune function. It's also key for the maintaining healthy mucous membrane, especially in the lining of your gut. Therefore, a healthy gut is an important part of the healthy immune system. Next is red pepper. Pepper are also a great source of beta carotene, a precursor of vitamin E. One cooked pepper has 19% of your daily recommended amount of beta carotene. Red pepper, another vitamin C rich source for fighting cold. A 2013 review noted in a Harvard Health letter found that consuming 200 milligram of vitamin C every day cut the risk of the cold and half of the extremely active pepper. One medium size of red bell pepper containing 152 milligram of vitamin C or enough fulfill your daily requirement. Next is broccoli. Broccoli. Broccoli may be the most super of superfood on the planet. It's rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. A phytochemical in it is are great for arming and strengthening your immune system. Broccoli is a good source of lutein and sulforaphane, a powerful antioxidant. It contains additional nutrients including some magnesium, phosphorus, zinc, and iron. The University of California in Los Angeles researchers reported that broccoli can a great addition to your diet if you are trying to prevent a cold. Researchers claim that sulforaphane, a chemical vegetable, turn on antioxidant gene and enzyme in a specific immune cell, which combat free radicals in your body and prevent you from getting sick. Next is blueberry. Blueberries. Blueberries are filled with the antioxidant that can help treat and prevent cough and cold. According to the research conducted by the University of Auckland, consuming flavonoid, a class of antioxidant found in blueberries, made adults 33% less likely to catch a cold than those who did not eat flavonoid-rich food or supplement daily. Next is kiwis. Kiwis are the naturally full of ton of essential nutrient including folate, potassium, vitamin K, vitamin C. Vitamin C boosts the white blood cells and fight the infection, while kiwis other nutrient keep the rest of the body functioning properly. Next is walnut. In addition to being one of the top anti-inflammatory food, walnut contains several nutrients that play a role in supporting in the immune system. including vitamin E and B6, copper, and folate. Walnut has also been shown in a research to reduce the physiological stress and unchecked stress weakness immunity. Apricot. Apricot are very nutritious and contain many essential vitamin and mineral. It contains vitamin A, C, E, and potassium. Fruit is a decent source of beta carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin, all of which are potent antioxidant. Apricot contain both soluble and insoluble fiber. The soluble kind dissolve in water and include pectin, gums, and long chains of sugar called polysaccharide, while insoluble include cellulose, hemicellulose, and lignin. Apricot are particularly highly soluble fiber. Furthermore, fiber delays a movement of the food through your digestive tract and feed your beneficial gut bacteria and thus immunity. Grapes. Grapes are a rich source of vitamin A, C, B6, and folate. They also contain essential minerals like potassium, calcium, and iron. Grapes are also packed in phytonutrients such as resveratrol, which are believed to play a role in longevity. The resveratrol found in grapes to boost immunity. Next is sunflower seed. In addition to vitamin C, vitamin E plays a key role in immunity. This fat soluble vitamin boosts the activity of immune cell to support the body is able to fend off invading bacteria and viruses. Apple. An apple a day keeps a doctor away. Isn't it just a old wives' telling? Apples actually can help prevent illness such as a common cold. This fruit contains phytochemical antioxidant. According to the study published in a nutritional journal, these antioxidants help boost the immunity and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Next is cashew. Cashews. Cashews contain heart healthy monosaturated fats. In addition to the containing high amount of copper, cashews are great source of zinc. It is important for the development of the immune system, production of antioxidant enzyme, and activity of immune system regulator. Each 1 ounce serving of cashew provide 1.6 milligram of zinc. In numerous studies, boosting zinc intake has been associated with the healthier immune responses, meaning that cashews could help you fight off your next cold. Next is wheat germ. Wheat germ is the innermost part of the wheat kernel. It is the most nutrient rich part of the grain. The germ rich in vitamin B and zinc and vitamin E. Next is spinach. Spinach is not only a pack with the vitamin C but also antioxidant and beta carotene, both of which give your immune system a healthy boost it needs to fight off invaders. If you eat it raw or lightly steamed, you shall keep more of the nutrient intact. Not only is it packed with the digestion regulating fiber, spinach gets top billing as a superfood thanks to its high content of folate, vitamin A, vitamin C, fiber, magnesium, and iron. The nutrient in a spinach boost immune function and provide the body with the necessary nutrient for the cell division and DNA repair. Next is garlic. Garlic isn't just a great flavor enhancer, it's essential for your health. Ancient human value garlic as an infection fighter, which is why so much our traditional diet for fighting infection. Garlic's immune boosting properties are tied to its sulfur containing compound, such as allicin. Allicin is thought to improve your immune cells' ability to fight off cold and flu and virus of all kinds. Garlic has an antimicrobial and antiviral properties thought to a fight off infection. The bulb are rich in antioxidant. Antiviral properties may be helpful in reducing severity of cold and flu. Next is ginger. Ginger is another ingredient that has a super properties when it comes to the fighting of illness. Gingerol is the main bioactive compound in ginger. It has been found that elevate pain and fight nausea. Gingerol is responsible of much its medicinal properties. It has a powerful anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and immune boosting properties. Normal metabolic process in a body, infection, and toxin all contribute to the production of a free radical, resulting in oxidative stress. Grate some fresh ginger and steep it in water and make a tea for the immune boosting. Next is turmeric. This is a spice containing a powerful anti-inflammatory compound called curcumin. This is the same compound what lends turmeric its signature vibrant orange-yellow color. According to the study published in the Journal of Clinical Immunology, curcumin activate the production of a T cell, which are the main cells fighting for your health in your immune system. As per the guideline of the Ayush, turmeric in a milk boost the immunity. Next is yogurt. Nutrition guideline recommended adult dose consuming 3 serving of a dairy product per day. Low fat yogurt provide 11 grams of protein, 250 calories and almost 400 gram of calcium per 8 ounce serving. Low fat yogurt can also help meet your daily requirement of vitamin B12, vitamin D, vitamin B2. Adequate level of the vitamin D and other nutrients are necessary for the robust immune function. Yogurt rich in a probiotic including Lactobacillus acidophilus, Lactobacillus casei and bifidus. These strains boost the immune function and may even help to reduce both length and severity of cold. Beneficial gut flora are needed for proper digestion, detoxification, and immune function. Next is amla. Amla has always been a popularly as a powerful home remedy for the treating cold and flu. It is rich in vitamin C, which boosts the production of white blood cells in the body that help in the fighting several infections and diseases. Alongside, amla is also rich in iron, calcium, and several other minerals, which make it complete nutritional fruit. It is a component of a Chyawanprash. Several studies confirm the link between the sleep and healthy immune system. Being well rested improves the function of the white blood cells, and so you are less likely to get illness like respiratory infection, cold, and the flu. Avoid substances that can interact with the sleep like caffeine and alcohol for several hours before bedtime. Good snooze time for the 7 to 8 hours is the best way to help your body build immunity. Lesser sleep will leave you tired and impair your brain activity. The lack of sleep will prevent the body from the resting, and this will impair other body functions that will be having direct impact on your immunity. Modern medicine has come to appreciate the closely linked relationship between the mind and body, including stomach upset, hives, and even heart diseases, are linked to the efforts of emotional stress. Despite the challenges, scientists are actively studying the relation between the stress and immune function. Exercise has a numerous health benefit, including protecting you against the heart disease, osteoporosis, and even certain type of cancer. Exercise is also immune booster. To reap a maximum benefit, try to moderately physical activity at least 30 minutes on the most days of the week. Walking is one of the simplest way to exercise. If you are not excited about the walking, try yoga, swimming, cycling. Gardening is also a good way to get some outdoor activity. These are testing time, and a prolonged period of staying indoor has its implication on your mental well-being. The growing anxiety around the pandemic is another concern that is affecting millions across the globe. While the uncertainty might be overwhelming, there are few steps we can follow regularly to help relieve our stress, and stress is known to have an adverse effect on immunity. Spending time with the family and friends is best medicine for the stress-free life. The video is prepared by me, Pritam Zuwatkar. I request here, please like and share my video and subscribe the channel for more and more videos. Thank you.